HMD Global, which produces Nokia phones now, has officially announced the mid-range of the Nokia X5. The X5, like its brother the X6, has a notch and a body of glass, which indicates that HMD is totally committed to the design trend that began with Apple's iPhone X. The Nokia X5 is a more affordable and lower specification version of the X6. It has an HD Plus screen of 5.9 inches and an aspect ratio of 19:9. The quality is slightly lower than that of the X6, which means that the video transmission and the games will not be as good. The X5 is powered by a MediaTek Helio P60 processor and contains a 3060 mAh battery. It has options for 3 GB or 4 GB of RAM, and 32 or 64 GB of storage. As for the cameras, it has an 8-megapixel selfie camera and dual 13-megapixel and 5-megapixel cameras on the back, along with a fingerprint sensor. The device runs Android 8.1 from the factory and only costs $148.70 or $999 yuan, which is a reasonable price considering the suboptimal specifications. The Nokia X5 comes in black, blue and white and is available for pre-order in China now. It is not yet known if the device will reach other countries.